Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'll be showing you a South Indian engagement or wedding guest makeup look, which is perfect for pattu sari or silk sari, and also this is gonna suit any shade of sari or any shade of dress. So it's very simple. Let's get started. First of all, I'll be using lip balm so that my lips are really moisturized. Then I'll be using aloe vera gel to moisturize my skin, so you guys can use any moisturizer of your choice. Then I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Primer. This has got a slight pink tint to it, which gives a brightening effect to face. Not just that, it kind of blurs out the pores, not completely of course, just a little bit, which is again a good thing. So I'll be applying it to my nose area as well as to my cheek wherever I sweat more. Not just that, I'll be applying it to my eyelids as well, so that my eyeshadow lasts longer. Then for foundation, I'll be using this Nykaa Skingenius foundation in shade Warm Sand. Even though it is slightly lighter to my skin tone, after a while it definitely matches to my skin tone, which is something I really like about this foundation. Not just that, it is very lightweight, so it is perfect for South Indian climate, and also it has got very less coverage, which is again something I like. I do not like high coverage foundation, so I'll be blending it really well using my Pune makeup sponge, making sure that I'm applying this foundation to my ear as well as neck, so that there is no color difference at all. So I have blended it really well. As you guys all know, blending is key, so we have to do that, take our time and blend it. That's something we have to do. Then for compact powder, I'll be using this L'Oreal Matte Magique compact powder in shade Golden Amber. This is perfect shade for me, so I'll be applying it all over my face. After that, I'll be taking NELF USA compact powder, which is 2 or 3 shades lighter to my skin tone. Then I'll be applying it under to my eyes so that it gives a brightening effect, and also I'll be applying it over my eyelids so that it is not at all oily, so that eyeshadow lasts for a longer time. So once it is done, I'll be moving to eyebrow. For that, I'll be using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in shade dark brown. It is very nice, affordable, good eyebrow pencil. I'll be filling in the gaps. Since I have got very thick bushy eyebrows, I need not work a lot with my eyebrows. I've just fill in the gaps, and then I have just going it over with that brush which is there in the cap of this eyebrow pencil, so that it gives a better natural finish. When we are brushing our eyebrows, it definitely gives a natural finish. So once it is done, let's move on to eyeshadow. For that, again I'll be using Miss Claire eyeshadow. It is a very affordable eyeshadow palette. I'll be taking that dark movie shade, and first I'll be depositing it to my outer corners, then slightly dragging it inwards only to crease, and then I'll be blending it really well. As I said, for the foundation, it is the same with eyeshadow as well. Blending is key. Please take your time and blend it really well. Once it is done, I'll be taking this dark red shade, and I'll be applying it to my eyelids, and then again I'll be blending it to that dark movie shade. So this might look little over to top, but then don't worry guys, we are gonna make it work. So first let's apply it to eyelids, and then blend it really well. Then I'll be taking this yellowish goldeny shade and tapping off the excess. Since this has got lot of fallout, it is very important to tap out the excess eyeshadow. Then I'll be applying it all over my eyelids, so this gives a very nice diffused look. I do not prefer, over to top eyeshadow, over to top eyeshadow, so that's the reason I have just applied this all over my eyelids, and so that it gives a diffused look. Then I'll be applying it the same shade to my inner corners, so that it just highlights my inner corners, and obviously that gives a bigger eye look. Then I'll be taking this Essence long lasting eye pencil in shade dark brown. So I'll be applying it to my waterline. Definitely you guys can go ahead and use black kajal, but then I just wanted to have a different look. That's the reason. Not just that, I thought that brown would look very good with this eyeshadow look, so that's the reason I went with this dark brown shade. I have applied it to my waterline as well as to my lash line, both my upper lash line as well as lower lash line. Upper lash line I have given a nice thick liner look. It need not be neat because we are gonna smudge it later on, so just draw a very thick liner, and then let's after that we can definitely smudge it. Then I have tight lined my eyes as well. Then I'll be taking this dark brown eyeshadow, then I'll be smudging this upper lash line, not a lot, just a tiny bit. We are not going for a very drastic smoky eye, but then just slightly smudge it. That's it. And I'm doing the same for the other eye as well. Just smudge it little bit, and then I'll be taking the same dark movie shade, and then I'll be smudging my lower lash line where we have applied that dark brown kajal. Just smudge it out so that it gives a nice look. And then I have slightly given a small wing, and I'll be drawing a very thin liner to my lash line. Because when we smudge that liner, when we have smudged that kajal, I mean that area might have also smudged out. So just to have a complete look, I have given a small liner look with the same kajal. Then I have used this Essence mascara. It's very good mascara, guys. It gives nice volume and it gives nice length as well. So I have given good 2 to 3 coats of mascara, and I absolutely love this mascara. If you haven't tried it out, please to try it out. It's really good. I actually love it more than my Colossal Volume Express mascara. Then I have taken the same yellowish golden eyeshadow. Then I'll be highlighting my brow bone, which is really good because it pops out the eyebrows. Then I'll be using this Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush, which is again sort of coralish shade, so it matches to my eyeshadow as well. And then I have applied it to my cheeks and blended it really well. I have used only little bit because I always like simple and subtle look. Then we are gonna use the Sivanna Sivanna Bronze Professional, and I'll be using that highlighting shade, and I'll be applying it to my cheekbone, and I'll be blending it using my same blusher brush, and just I'll be giving I'll be brushing it over and blending it really well. Then I'll be taking that contouring shade and I'll be contouring my jawline, no sorry guys, cheekbones. I'll be blending it really well. So then I'll be contouring my jawline as well. Then I'll be contouring my nose. This is something I really like. I really like to contour my nose. It definitely gives a slimmer look, which is something I really like. Even though I do not like contouring my jawline and cheekbones, but still I went with it because to have a complete look. So here I have used Sugar liquid lipstick in shade Tan Fan. It's a nice mauvey shade. So I have cleaned my outer lips with the same compact powder so that this lipstick doesn't bleed. And once it is done, I was not happy with that shade. I just wanted a little bit pop of color, so for that I've used this Blue Heaven liquid lipstick in shade Raspberry. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. So I absolutely loved it. So please to try it out. Let me know how it turned out for you all. So see you in very next video. Before that, if you have liked this video, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.